There are many little jobs around the house that you need sometimes to put nails on the wall, and I really personally hesitate to put any nail or screw on the wall. The solution I came across was to use this self-adhesive hooks. You can buy it from Amazon. It's called it's from a supplier called SKYEE. It's 4-pack, and 4-pack of them is around £4. So they're very stylish. I will open it and show it to you. Okay, now I'm opening it, and these are the hooks I was talking about. They're well packed so they will not rub against each other. They look very elegant and quite adapted to any kind of surfaces because they have a big pad, adhesive pad surface, 3M PE4 polyethylene foam, and in a pack it comes 4. So I have any one of these hooks, which is really elegant. I'll look at it. Costs around £1. And this is the brand warranty card. If you like, you can also go with their suggestion to go and put some comment. I've already used it in a lot of put frames on the wall, canvas, mirrors, and they're very strong. And I think they take up to 5 kilograms of weight, each of the hooks. So quite strong, and they're very stylish, better than anything of the plasticky ones that I've ever seen. And they don't last, those ones anyway. This one looks, it's metal. First of all, you can see it. It has a weight. It is metal. Then this polystyrene PE foam. It's very strong adhesive attached to it. You remove this non-sticky part of it, and the sticky part will be exposed. And you position it on the wall, and that's it, finished. You attach it a little bit, massage it around here, rub it, and that's it. It's done.